So we're entering Midstream Heights Estate this morning, and what I'm about to show you is a 6-bedroom, 6.5 bathrooms for 13 million rand that are located very close to the main entrance of Midstream Heights Estate, with a beautiful street appeal and quality finishes, anything you're looking for at the right location. So this property is still under a bit of construction. It will be completed in a month. In total, I will say plus minus a full month, it will be completed. Like I mentioned, it's unique. 4 garages, staff accommodation, quality finishes, anything you're looking for. If you like to have a special view or a special street appeal of the property, this property is definitely a must-see. Then the northern part of the property on the other side is overlooking a beautiful open space, and there's nobody going to build in front of you. So the view is so far that you can see on a clear day up to Waterkloof in Pretoria city centre, or close to city centre. Then down the road here we've got a small park, a play area, and there's a lot of parks available in this estate. And the more modern look and feel properties the developers plan to build in this estate. Let me show you a bit more of this quality product. Like I mentioned, 2 garages on the one side, 2 garages on this side. You'll notice the garage doors are higher, and then also we've got a beautiful entrance here with lots of glass, natural light, and the color scheme that they utilize throughout the house is complementing this property. As you can see, there's a lot of stickers still on the doors, and you'll find there's people walking around working. It's actually a working day today, and the people are busy completing this beautiful property. This is brand new from a developer, so there's no transfer duties, but you'll pay VAT. That is included in that for 13 million. And then if you take out the bond, you'll pay your bond fees. If there's not a bond, you pay the attorney fees and the transfer fees. So yeah, let's have a look on the inside. Like I mentioned, all the guys busy working, they're preparing. I specifically came in through the garage that you guys can see the entrance from the garage side. And then open plan and a beautiful view, as I mentioned, overlooking your pool and the small jacuzzi area as well. We'll go on the outside to show you that space now. All the specific lights, you got gas here, and then specific 2 ovens on this side, quality finishes, Caesar stone tops, and throughout you'll notice ample cupboard space, amount of door space, showcase on this side, and then extra for your and on this side as well, pantry cupboard, everything brand new. That's why they still need to clean up, and there's still protection covers, everything that's sticked on here. So this all need to be taken off when the property is totally completed. Then your extra storage space here. Here you can see this is the stove that will go in there. Also brand new. Still need to be installed there. And then we have a separate scullery on this side. Another walk-in pantry here. The guy's busy cleaning up. Then 1, 2, 3 spaces for your appliances. And tile to the top, higher ceilings. As you're coming from this garage, the garages on this side, you'll notice the higher door length, and this garage door also have the capability that you can take a car through on this back side here. And then your staff accommodation also on the outside. This area here. I want to go back here to this entrance here, and we'll still do a final video when everything is cleaned up and nicely completed. So this is your mud room where you can hang your coat, your hats, and put your shoes in there. So with a small cupboard in that corner. Mention again, I didn't mention here, double door fridge plus a water connection point. And you'll notice there's 2 sets of staircases, one to this side and one to that side. So your main bedroom on this side and the other bedrooms on the other side. Looking at this beautiful open patio area. Tiles is also 600 by 1.2 centimeters. This doors open up, folding, stacking doors, and then high ceilings, your built-in stainless steel braai, and then a powder room on this side as well, with Gibberer toilet, floating vanities. All the natural light. We haven't switched on any lights, and you can see the amount of natural light that's inside the property. A gas fireplace on this side. Let's look on the outside before we go upstairs. Guys, remember I'm saying this, they're still busy cleaning up, painting, so there's a lot of things lying around, but the guys are busy working here. Now the serving area here, a pool with that becomes like a water feature, also that's double up here. I'm going to specifically show you from this side that you can see the elevation from the northern side as well. Your glass balustrades on the outside, and this behind me is basically north, so all this bedrooms facing north. A small boma area with enough seating space, and people prefer to maybe put a small boma here, a fire pit, and like I mentioned, then you have enough seating space here. The pool is also a bit longer, so very close to a lap pool. Again, focus on the privacy. There's nobody that's going to build on this northern side. So this is the view that you have. Private, and the luxury of this quietness, waking up in the morning and feel like you're on a farm, experiencing, and you can even hear the cows, the birds, all around. It's so specifically and quiet. That's why this location is prime for this specific property. We're also close to the new shopping center, and another thing is close to the main entrance that's on the side to the airport. Let's go upstairs on this side. Another small balcony going up here. You'll notice the door length is all higher. This small area here can be utilized as a study corner. You can put your desk, your plug point is here, and then you do have 3 bedrooms here. The planning on this was to do a full study or even a serving hatch, or a makeup station, study corner, and utilize this also as a bedroom or study. You can decide how you want to utilize it. Solar geyser wise, and then first ensuite, full bathroom, tile to the top, high ceilings, nice black finishes, combination with this beautiful tiles, floating vanities, and the Gibber toilets. Entering, looking at cupboard space here, lots of cupboard space to the top. You've got ceiling fans, and like I mentioned, enough space here to put even a double bed. Nice natural sunlight coming in, and you've got your private balcony on this side that makes it also special. Another ensuite on this side. This one only has a shower, basin, and a toilet. Also, the cupboards to the top, high ceiling, ceiling fan, and the small balcony on this side. Look at this beautiful view. You can see the water features on. Definitely an inviting pool for this coming summer. Feel like you just want to take a swim. So 3 on this side, and the glass, thick glass balustrades. Let's look, we're back in the living area, and I must say they maximize all the space, even underneath the staircase, with all of this on this side. Another 3 bedrooms here, linen cupboard, ensuite here as well. And with this bathroom as you enter on this side. Again, this one's got a shower, basin, and toilet, gibbered toilet. Same high ceilings, open corner windows, beautiful finishes. Bedroom on this side as well. Also shower, basin and toilet. Pajama lounge upstairs makes it beautiful with this ample space here and space for your television here as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms on this side. So you can turn it into a 7-bedroom as well, but the ideal is then to utilize that third room on the other side as your study, but it can be turned towards another bedroom. This is your other bedroom with a ensuite full bathroom and also soft closer straight through, floating vanity, full bathroom, and then another beautiful shower on that end. Enough cupboard space, higher ceilings. And then for last, but the best, the main. Beautiful big open space for your bed on this side, small area where you can put a sofa, TV connection point on that side. Then you got your own dresser space with enough space here. As you see, I walked in and the lights automatically switched on. Enough cupboard space here, dressing area, and then we enter the main ensuite. His and hers, floating vanities, beautiful loose standing bath, tile to the top with the feature tiles on this side, a bit of separate toilet on that side, and then the body shower and the jets that's built in this big shower. Quality finishes. If you're looking for the best, this is one of the properties, the last properties that's available in Midstream Heights Estates. So looking for something specifically, 6-bedroom study, 6.5 bathrooms, 4 garages, staff accommodation, quality finishes, good location, everything for 13 million, VAT included. This can be your property. Follow me for more and subscribe. See you for the next viewing.